Hello everyone. So today we are solving another question of JEE ADV 2015, and I think this question is basically from the topic of gravitation here. Let me write that. Okay. And let's first read the question. So they're given a bullet which is fired vertically upwards with a velocity v from the surface of a spherical planet. When it reaches its maximum height, its acceleration due to the planet's gravity is 1/4 of its value. And the surface of the planet, if the escape velocity of the planet is v escape equal to v root n, then the value of n is. Okay, basically we have to find some escape velocity and what is the velocity for n in the terms of that. Okay, so let's imagine this question. Let's suppose this is our planet here. Okay, so what is the formula of the acceleration due to gravity everywhere? It is equal to, if suppose this distance is r here, so the acceleration due to gravity will be nothing but gm by r square. Okay, so it says, let me highlight that part only and erase all those, that the acceleration due to gravity becomes 1/4. So to make our acceleration due to gravity 1/4, I have to put it like it must have become, see, if this is our radius here, so it was initially gm by r square. If we divide by 4, so it has become gm by 4r square, and we can write it in the form of gm by 2r whole square. It means that the our bullet has been reached up to the height of 2r from the center. Okay, this distance might be equal to 2r. Okay, and now it says that the velocity which has been given here, this should be equal to, like, in the, if you multiply it with some root n, it should be equal to escape velocity. Now what is escape velocity? Escape velocity is the velocity after which, if it is given on the surface of the earth, uh, it becomes unbounded, or the at some height it's like potential energy becomes zero here. So what is the potential energy at the surface of earth? It is equal to minus gm by r. Okay, and if we give it kinetic energy in the form of given like escape velocity half mv square, now this should be greater than zero or just zero. So when it becomes just zero, it becomes a escape velocity. So we can find here that v is equal to nothing but root 2 gm by r. Now let's find this velocity v here by writing the energy equation. At the surface, what was its energy? It was nothing but minus gm by r, and it has been given some velocity. Bullet has been given some velocity of v, so its net energy becomes half mv square. But after reaching to that point, or at the 2r, this velocity becomes zero. So what is net energy gained by it? It is equal to minus gm by 2r. So now if you try to solve this, so we will get half mv square is equal to gm by 2r. That is, v is equal to nothing but root under gm by r. And if you multiply it with our root 2, so we will get this answer. It means that our v escape should be equal to v times root n. So this is like root 2 is absolutely like actually the answer of n here. So let me write it there. Hence n equal to 2. This is our final answer. Thank you everyone.